She found a flat man on Wednesday. She found a tape in no Wednesday. Nigga can't even see me on Wednesday. She found a flight nigga Wednesday. She found a flight man on way out of here.
I'll give you my number.
She found a flight nigga can't even see me on way out of here. I'm too far in the sky. Heard me, it's ash for the dark, my ash. Bitch so pretty, look better than Cassie.
Cause bro, what the fuck?
That's all they be doing. What you doing, stink?
Relax.
No, Dookie, what are you doing?
Bookie? What?
No.
What you talking about?
Babe, why are you doing all that?
Babe.
She want me. She want me bad.
I'll tell him. He said he wanted. He said he.
What'd you say?
So I'm like, well, shit. Is you gonna suck my dick?
Bro, girl, stop playing me. Come here, bro.
We don't care.
Let me tell you.
Retweets on, bro. You look sideways. Like, nah, that shit don't hurt. Like, shit.
I'm good.
Fried as fuck. How old are you? You look 14 and 17 at the same time.
I'm 17.
Now you got two options, you know what I'm saying? Give me your number or your IG, you know what I'm saying? You choose what? You said what?
On my number.
Yo, no, huh?
You want my number?
Yeah, slide me my way. Hey, where you going,
Okay.
kid? Where you going? Hold on. Frame me on here. Listen, frame me on here. And just
I
send
don't
it to
even
me.
have the app. I don't even use cookies.
What the fuck? So how am I? Just give me your IG.
No, you give me your number. Or
Twin.
I'll give you my number.
Twin.
A win is a win.
A
win is a win.
Okay, sir. Didn't I just talk to you?
No, I just got on that hoe.
You got me.
I swear, bro. Don't we look like we talked to him?
Yeah, no, I just got on that hoe.
Bro, it looked like we just talked to you.
I just got on this hoe, bro. You tripping?
You sure?
Oh, I'm
You
positive.
got a
Huh?
pretty smile, though.
Oh, I appreciate that.
No, look at his smile. That smile is cute. Just because you got your little nigga over there don't mean I can get me one. Let me get my little speech.
Okay, then.
Let me get my little thing.
Yeah. You trying to rizz me up?
Yeah.
Go ahead, then. Rizz me up.
Anyways, you're mine. That's it. That's the end of the
That's the rizz?
Nigga, shut the fuck up.
They ain't trying to listen to me, though.
Yo,
I'm going.
where you from?
Shit, from Arkansas, for real.
Mm.
Type shit. You from Philly?
Yeah, I'm from Philly.
Type shit.
How old is you?
I'm 19. Why the fuck you doing this? Hold on. What? Fuck, you straight?
I'm good. It's just that I don't feel like picking up the phone all the way.
Just prop it up, then.
Just pop it up.
Yeah, prop it up.
I don't feel like
The fuck is you looking at, my nigga?
gonna be on top of me.
On top of you. Shit.
You're not. It didn't even load yet.
Shit, I be on top. Get on top, you know.
Lock his ass up. Lock his ass up.
What you doing?
You good?
You okay?
You straight? You good?
Yeah.
You sure you biting on your nails and shit? You sure what you got going? Shit, what you got going?
Nothing.
You just chilling? Ain't Tulsa ain't that ain't that in Oklahoma? Yeah, you kinda close though. I stay in Arkansas, but if you probably don't know what that's at.
My uncle's locked up down there.
Damn.
Right. Type shit. So what you say you were doing? You 20?
I'm 17.
Oh shit, you say 20? I thought you know.
No.
But if you did have text, you
You 19?
I don't look 19. Nah, I'm first 19, so yeah, type
You
shit.
look like a baby.
I look like a baby. I ain't no baby though.
I'm supposed to know that.
Hmm.
I'm supposed to know that.
You can find out.
Okay, let me find out then. Why you want to just follow me on Instagram?
Your phone, or you can follow me on Instagram. You ready?
Hold on.
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright.
Alright, lock in.
I will.
Y'all know what's going on.
Yeah!
Hey,
Bro, yeah, I look fried.
I look fried.
You eat fried?
A little bit, and I also go to sleep at like 12 every night. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing at 3 in the morning.
I don't know. What is love, man? Sleep in a minute, though. I ain't okay.
What's the meaning of life?
Yeah.
Just want the stars on fire. Pop-ups in my grandma's flat. That's my only need. All I want for Christmas.
Yeah! Can't be serious, girl.
Hey Slim, how your name Slim and I'm the real Slim?
What?
I said how your name Slim and I'm the real Slim.
You're not the real Slim, sir.
I am the real Slim.
No, you're not.
Don't get me going back. Well, we about to keep going back and forth. What's the deal, Slim?
You tell me what to do. Tell me you really Slim, cap, crazy as fuck.
We ain't crazy.
So like, you gonna show me your face? Kind of like foot of the
It's
show my
dark.
face.
What you mean? It's dark.
Like you could just pull the phone down. It's no brightness.
I'm still dark. It don't make no difference.
So you dark skin, you brown skin, or like in between.
Yeah.
So you 18?
No, I'm 17. I ain't gonna
Oh,
lie.
you gonna turn 18? You turn 18 this year though? Okay, that's cool. Damn. You don't know nothing for real. But all I see you send me a friend request. What's up? You trying to be my friend or something?
I don't know. You just took too long to accept that bitch. I might wanna.
You can't even cancel it. So I
I
accept it. So now what? Huh?
You said what?
So now what?
You want me to drop my IG?
Yeah, go ahead.
It's D.
Just send it to me. Oh here, you know how?
Alright, bet.
All right.
Hi.
You cute.
I'm fucking Rizz right here.
He is.
I'm fucking Rizz right here.
Fuck minding my business, I'm a mom, my right. You ain't really my friend, you just tryna get back. But I give F and then can't let him get that. Tell her bring it back tomorrow, cause I need a relapse. I don't drink lean, but I got a small to relax. Only time I see the past is when I need a C-fact. I be sweating on my hands, getting tired of these gnats.